So this introduce this portable palletizer, capacity 15 ton, manual hydraulic press. So this press will be basically used for IR application for making pallets. This is safety shield. This is completely transparent. You can view inside clearly complete operations. So this is a digital pressure gauge. Basically we release around, so we have a units in kg per centimeter, in a g, atmosphere, mpa, megapascal, then bar, kpa, psi. So this is completely portable system. Now we just put a pressure. This is pressure release valve. Now we turn on. This is handle. It will be extended up to 300 mm. So put it pressure manually. This range showing you the level of pressure, and this is the indicate properly. Now we released pressure. Now it is 0. Now we prepare the pellets. This is 13 mm pelletizer dies. This is made of stainless steel. This is base part. This is top portion. This is called anvil, the smaller one. It's called a plunger, and this is pallet remover, airtight, for airtight gaskets. How to make pallets? This is potassium bromide. We will apply it as per our requirement. For preparation, we require these die sets. First, put it properly. Make sure the finished portion put it on top. Before preparation, make sure the powder will be grind properly. So we'll apply approximately 10 mg powders. Then the finished portion we will put it on top gasket for airtight purpose. Now this area 150 mm by 150 mm. The pan size was 100 mm. Make sure when you apply pressure, the release valve always in off position. Now we will set a unit kg per centimeter. Now we apply pressure. Hold 2 to 3 seconds. Then release the pressure. Now we use this portion for removing pellet. Turn on release valve. Again apply this pressure. You can see the pellet are coming down. Again turn on. You can see the pellet.